gikirire mukaana guku bururi-ini kia mungiki niwe Maina Njenga gwikorwo akinyititwo migwate. Riu umuthi ni akirikirio gwikorwo akikinyio igoti-ini ria makandara gukorwo agitika thitango. Kuringana na mawakili ake ni magitariirie uria aragikorirwo agikio ngono hamwe na muteithiriria wake na kuria riu makihoete igoti riri gwikorwo rikiruta watho iguru ria gukorwo akiheo ugitiri. Thutha wa mathaa manini tu ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja kunyitwo migwate kwa uria wari mutongoria wa gikundi gikirire mukaana kia mungiki niwe Maina Njenga, riu ni arikitie gukinyio igoti-ini ria makandara gwitika thitango. Hindi ya kugwetwo gwa Ciira uyu, mawakili a Maina Njenga magitongorio ni wakili Gwitika ni mahoete igoti kuhe Njenga ugitiri kumana na kuhahithio ni aria maugite ati ni maafitha a thirikari.
Justicious that the court issues protection orders against the police officers, some of them present, so that the liberty of the accused person is protected. Accused and the third accused were again abducted by the police officers.
Mawakili aya nimatariirie mucirithania wa igoti riri Tito Gesora ati Maina Njenga hamwe na muteithia wake Rekishe akorirwo makinyitwo migwate mathaa-ini ma thaa 4 cia utuku Jumamothi ni andu mehumbanĩtie mitwe makimekwira gukorwo mari maafitha a borithi.
From the bar, we wish to present him to testify to that aspect only.
My senior has alleged that this is a unique case, which I believe that all persons in law ought to be treated equally. Then secondly, you know, I personally also learned of the same in the press. I'm not privy to whatever they are telling the courts in relation to the abduction.
Maina Njenga akiariria andiki a mohoro igoti-ini riri ni augite ati aria maramuhahithia ni andu moikaine.
Wale ambao walitushika hiyo wakati si watu ambao hawajulikani, ni wale watu tumekuwa na wao kwa hii kesi. Tunawajua, tunafahamu vizuri.
Njenga akorirwo agithitangwo na mahitia ma kunyitikana na indo itiganite hari hamwe na thimbo, banga hamwe na indo ingi, na kuria mucirithania Gesora athanite mwena wa athitangwo kwandikithia uira wa kunyitwo kwa Njenga.
Formal application backed by affidavit should be filed. Otherwise, the position of the court is that the court can only deal with exhibits have already been presented before it.
Aya, hiyo ni ripoti ya uria wakire mutongoria wa kiama kana gikundi gikirire mukaana Maina Njenga riria agikorirwo agikinyio kuria igoti-ini. Tugitigane na icio na ni ati thirikari ni igetete